now apply the US Insignia to each wing surface. Dip the decal in water as we have done with previous decals. Apply the Insignia decal to one wing surface, noting that one point of the star has to face forward towards the leading edge of the wing. Blot out the excess water and move as necessary to position the insignia, as we have done previously with the chevron, as per the Yellow Wings decal instruction sheet. Apply the decal setting solution of your choice, and, as usual, we use Walthers Solvaset. Then sponge the decal smooth. We will now speed up the next portion of the video as we do the other wings insignia, just to save a little time. Now we apply the 7, which goes on the left wing, as shown on the Yellow Wings decal instruction sheet. Please note, the 7 goes between the US Insignia and the chevron. The top of the 7 is set parallel to one of the rivet lines of the wing. This 7 comes from the plane number 71F7. This corresponds to one of the 3 numbers that have true blue chevrons on the wing, designating the 71 Squadron section. Next is the True Blue Fuselage band. After dipping the decal in water for about a minute, remove from the water. Make sure the decal can slide easily, as this decal is going on compound curves on the fuselage. We are applying only 1/2 of the band to the left side of the fuselage at this time. Apply one end of the decal near the top of the fuselage. Make sure you have positioned the decal properly to begin with. The left side True Blue band decal had top printed on the yellow wings decal sheet that was cut off prior to dipping in the water. If you have positioned the decal properly, now slowly pull the backing paper from under the decal while holding the top part of the decal in place. Take your time so as not to damage the decal. Since these decals are produced by Yellow Wings by Microscale Industries, you should have no issues in applying the decals. Following a rivet line of the fuselage, position the band decal parallel to that rivet line, following the placement instructions on the information sheet precisely. Make sure the decal curves smoothly around the underside of the fuselage. Since the fuselage itself has a compound curve, you need to make sure the decal sets into that curve without any wrinkles. Using a sponge, smooth the decal into the curve. Again, take your time to position the fuselage band, as the number of the aircraft we have chosen, 71F7, has to be applied perpendicular to that band, with the F centered in the band. Use any setting solution of your choice. Apply liberally to the decal surface. Smooth the decal into the curves on the fuselage and underneath the aircraft with a sponge. Once more, please verify that you have smoothed out the entire band from the top of the fuselage to the underside.